Hi, hello friends. I'm back again with another subscription box. Today I'm sharing my Allure May beauty box. I did share a couple of Allure boxes last week. I think actually one of them was my monthly box for April, and then also another box I had picked up in their shop. They have such good deals in their shop. And so anyway, but this is the May, and let's see here. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got inside here. Okay, there's that. We've got a card advertising Father's Day, GQ, give the perfect gift to dads and grads. There's a QR code on there. Then on the other side, it talks about a great gift for mother with a QR code. So there's that. They also come with a little pamphlet that tells what's in the box. So I'm going to probably need my glasses for that because I want to read a couple things to you. And other than that, that's kind of what we see right there. So, okay, here we go. Should I do the most exciting thing first? I think I will. And that is inside this package right here. It's like got a nice little paper bag. And in here we have the Be Nice. It's 10% niacinamide serum by Sunday Riley. So this is an awesome product. I've heard great things about this. It retails for, let's see here. It retails for $65. And it opens sideways like this. All fancy here. So, ooh, it's a big, heavy, nice, heavy-duty bottle. And it says why you'll love it. Unlike a lot of other potent antioxidant serums, B3 Nice doesn't have an off-putting smell. Really, it has no noticeable scent. Its milky texture feels so comforting on skin. It dries down almost immediately and doesn't peel under moisturizer. One editor within a month saw dark spots on her hairline and around her mouth fade completely, and says it transformed her dull vampire-like complexion into a glowing one in as little as 2 weeks. So I know this is a good product. I've heard great things about it. Yes, I'm excited. This right here, you could never get it for under $25 unless you go to a used site. So this already paid for the box. I think I might have done a 3-month sign up, and I got a discount. So I actually think my boxes are like $18 a piece. But anyway, that's the first item. The next item here is from Refi. It's a brow, kind of a cream. It's something different here. And they did allow us to pick a shade. I got the light shade. Now here's what's interesting. So it has a tip, kind of a little brush on one end, and then you unscrew the other end, and inside the here, so it's probably got an inch worth of gel. So you just stick the brush in here and put it on your brows. So it's kind of fun. It's something different. I'm excited to try it. So here's to that. And that, let me see if I can find a price. That retails for $22 or $20. So already we're valued at $85, just 2 items. The next thing we get in the box that I'm going to pull out is Mighty Patch And I think there's only 6 in here, so it's more like a sample size, but these are the blemish, your blemish hero. You just put these over blemishes at night, and it works its magic overnight. So there's that. Revitalizing mask, lifting and firming. Ooh, I could use that, right? So anyway, we just got a mask. It feels pretty good. It's kind of thick in here. I don't know. Anyway, there's that. Okay, so the next thing I've got in here is, okay, this is called Badass MF. Woo! We're talking real here. And this is, they like to use that word. It says she's a bad mother, shut your mouth. Anyway, so it's kind of a spunky thing here. And this is a lip liner. It looks like it's going to be real smooth. Actually, part of the tip broke when I did this, but there's what, oh, I can't. The top line there, that's what that is. So, and then there's just one more thing in the box, and something I love, especially this, it's a dry shampoo. And this is Eva Nye. Actually haven't heard of this brand, but it says Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo, and it has, it says revives. Get my glasses on here, sorry. It revives, refreshes, and absorbs oil. I really like the packaging. It feels like it's pretty full. So there's that. Yay. Okay, so these are great. I love the little ones to take to travel. And so I got the hair dry shampoo, the lip liner, the brow, which the brow, I'd call it a brow gel, a mask, eye patches, or patches, face blemish patches, and last but absolutely not least, I got the Sunday Riley. So there you go. That's it for your May Allure Beauty Box. I have a code down below. You can get a discount if you're new, and also new people signing up, they give a really good extra gifts in the boxes in your first box. So last month it was a Fenty Beauty lipstick. This month it is a Christoph Robin daily hair cream with sandalwood. So I'm sure it smells good. Christoph Robin products are amazing. I use them in my hair. So if you're new and want to sign up, you can check out the link below, and you'll also get a free gift. So that's it for the Allure Beauty Box. I hope you enjoyed it. And you know what? I'll be back again with another video. Most likely a Temu, because I'm addicted and can't stop doing it. Anyway, thanks for joining. Hope to see you again. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell and the like button. All that would be nice. I love your support. I consider you friends, and I'd love to get to know you. So leave a comment and we can chat. So, all right. Thanks. Bye-bye.